Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Channel.
Hi, Mary. Hi, everyone. I'm happy to be here.
We're happy you're here too. How are you today, John?
I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but good.
That's very normal. Today's topic is about daily life in English.
Daily life? That sounds useful.
Yes, very useful. We talk about daily life every day.
True. We talk about work, home, food, and free time.
Exactly. And today, we will practice real conversations.
That's great. I want to speak more English.
And you can. Don't worry. We will go step by step.
Thank you, Mary. That makes me feel relaxed.
Good. Let's start with a simple question. John, how is your day?
My day is good. I wake up at 7.
Nice. You wake up at 7. What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Very good. Simple and clear. Then what?
I eat breakfast at home.
Great. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. I drink coffee.
That sounds tasty. I also drink coffee in the morning.
Coffee is very popular.
Yes, it is. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast?
Good question. You can answer in the comments.
Now let's talk about work. John, do you work or study?
I work. I work in an office.
Okay, what do you do at work?
I use a computer. I send emails.
Nice. Simple sentences. That's perfect.
Sometimes I have meetings.
Meetings can be long.
Yes, very long.
Listeners, do you work or study?
And where do you work or study?
Great questions. Now let's talk about the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I eat lunch with my family.
That's lovely. What do you talk about?
We talk about our day.
That's daily life English. Simple and real.
Yes. After dinner, I watch TV.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch movies or news.
Nice. I like movies too.
Movies help me learn English.
That's true. Listening helps a lot.
Then, I go to bed at 11.
11. That's a good time.
Sometimes later.
That happens. It's okay.
Mary, can I ask you a question?
Of course, John. Go ahead.
How do you talk about daily life in English easily?
Good question. Use simple words.
Simple words.
Yes, short sentences.
Short sentences.
Talk about real things, your life.
My life. That's easy.
Exactly. You don't need big words.
That makes me feel confident.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Can we practice one more time?
Of course. Let's do a quick practice.
Okay.
Hi, John. How is your day?
Hi, Mary. My day is busy but good.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast.
What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner. I watch TV. I sleep.
Perfect. Very natural.
That was easy.
Yes, English can be easy.
Listeners, you can do this too.
Yes, practice every day, little by little.
Don't be afraid.
Making mistakes is okay.
We all make mistakes.
Now let's do a short recap.
Okay.
Today, we talked about daily life.
Morning, afternoon, and evening.
We used simple sentences.
We talked about real life.
And we practiced speaking.
I feel more confident now.
That's our goal at the English Learning Channel.
Listeners, we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments.
How is your daily life?
What do you do every day?
Write simple sentences.
And practice with us.
If you like this episode,
Please like, subscribe, and share.
share with your friends.
And learn English together.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing.